Hello everyone, we're going to be installing some performance tank grips by Eazi-Grip on this 2022 MV Agusta F3. Alright, so let's talk about real quick what you get inside of the package. Go ahead and dump all the contents out here. Alright, I think that is everything. Oh, we got one more thing stuck in there. There we go. Alright, so you do get some wipes, and that is to apply onto the tank, just to make sure it's nice and clean before you apply the adhesive. You get the Eazi-Grip logo, you get an application guide, and then you do get some stickers. Stickers are always cool. And then you have your main portions here, go on the tank. Got your other parts right there, and then your two smaller parts. So you get 3 pieces per side. Now, what are the benefits of having tank grips? Well, it enables the rider to maintain a stable body position, and it's designed to assist in better bike control. So basically, whenever you're in a curve, you're at the track, anything like that, you're taking some canyon roads, some twisties, you want to be able to have good body control and have your knee and your thigh grip the tank as you're in a curve. So I can show you that here in just a second, but let's go on ahead and mount the bike, show you how that works, and then we'll go on ahead and apply the tank grips. All right, so I'm sitting on my MV Agusta F3, and I'm wearing riding jeans, and right now it's really slick because I like to utilize my thighs, squeeze the tank, use my core, and take pressure off my wrists and my back. Now, adding the tank grips on will just allow me to have better grip, allow me to have better body position, and maintain that body position so I'm not slipping. So when I'm coming into a curve, I want to take my thigh and drive it into the tank and go ahead and lean over and then just maintain what I have. So basically, simple process, and that's what they're for. All right, so you just want to make sure that you got the right pieces for the right side. And how we're gonna do this, so we're just gonna line it up kind of how we're gonna do this. So the main portion is gonna go right in here, just kind of showing you. The smaller part's gonna go right there, and then you have the medium portion here, and I'll grab the right side. I'm just kind of just showing you where it's gonna go. It's gonna go right here under the main one. And that is basically most of the area where your thigh is gonna be touching. You could touch up here a little bit, but me personally, where I sit and when I'm leaning over on the bike, I'm more so right here. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take these alcohol wipes and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe both sides just so we're nice and clean before applying the grips. That's what you get in the package here. So I'm just gonna take this, wipe the areas off that we're gonna be applying the adhesive to, just so it sticks a lot better. Don't want any kind of grease or oils or anything like that on there. Go ahead and wipe the other side while I'm at it. Okay, and that should dry fairly quickly. And then also note, you kind of want the tank to be a little warm when you're applying this. It just makes the application a lot easier. I was just out riding and the engine's still hot, so the tank is also warm as well. All right, next, you're probably gonna wanna grab yourself like a little razor blade or something like that, so that way you can kind of cut into this backside in order to peel the backing off of the adhesive, because it can be a little tough sometimes. And once you do that, it just comes right off. All right, go ahead and line it up where you want it, because wherever you go, that's where it's gonna stay. So I think we're good right about there. See? And if you don't get too far, you can pull it back off and kind of readjust. So just be careful when you're putting it on there. All right, I think that's about good. You can kind of work it around. It's high quality polyurethane, so just you can kind of manipulate it a little bit. There we are. And then all you're gonna do is just press on it. Make sure it's nice and stuck on there. All right. All right, so this one, go like this. Find where you want it. think right here might be a good spot. All right. Now, this is just how I'm doing it. This is total preference, up to you on your bike on how you want to do this, but this is typically the standard setup, if you will. So there's probably another variation that you could do it. Totally up to you. All right, so this one is gonna go right about here. Let's see. I think I want the bigger portion facing that way. Yeah, let me get the other piece. I'm gonna put this on the other side. I think I want the other piece with the bigger portion facing over this way. We got the side that I want. All right. So like I said before, guys, there's different variations. You could do it like this or this way. Whatever you feel is gonna work best for you. So for me, I'm gonna do it just like this. I think that'll work out quite nicely. Like I said, give it a nice firm press. Make sure it's all stuck on there. All right. All right, and then for the final touch, you wanna go ahead and add the logo in that circle right there. Place it right in there, like so. All right, and we're done. Let's go ahead and knock out the other side. All right, and we're all done. All right, guys, and that's it. Super easy install. If we have to give it a rating, definitely a 1 out of 10. No issues at all. These look really good on the bike, and if you're looking to pick some up, definitely visit the Moto Machines website. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments section below, and we'll see you in the next one.